Welcome back to Quiz Games. Can you guess the restaurant by emoji? Let's get started. Guess the restaurant.
It's a Checkers.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a Sonic Drive-In.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a Little Caesars.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a KFC.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a Subway.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a Arby's.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a Texas Roadhouse.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a Popeyes.
Guess the restaurant.
It's Apollo Tropical.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a Red Lobster.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a Buffalo Wild Wings.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a Olive Garden.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a Blaze Pizza.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a Papa John's.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a Big Boy.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a Auntie Anne's.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a Five Guys.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a Krispy Kreme.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a Red Robin.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a Rising Cane's.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a Carl's Jr.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a In-N-Out Burger.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a Orange Julius.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a Chipotle.
Guess the restaurant.
It's a Dairy Queen.